Today, we learn the difference between every and each. These two words look similar, but have important differences in English grammar. Understanding this helps you speak and write correctly. Each focuses on individuals one by one in a group. It means you think about them separately. Every refers to all members as one collective whole. It treats the entire group together. Each student received a gift means every single student got their own gift separately. Every student must attend means all students together have this requirement. Each shows individual action. Every shows group requirement. Use each when you want to focus on individuals one by one. Use every when referring to all members as a complete group. Each works with singular or plural nouns using of. Every only uses singular nouns. Both each and every use singular nouns and singular verbs. Each works well with two or more items using each of the structure. Every typically needs three or more items with no of structure. Each student received a gift shows individual giving. Every student must attend the meeting shows group obligation. She read each chapter carefully means one chapter at a time. Every child needs love means all children completely. Each uses of with plural nouns like each of the students. Each also uses in like each student in the class. Every never uses of. Every uses time words like every day or every week. Remember, each equals individual focus one by one using each of the. Every equals collective whole with no of and good for time expressions. Each for personal attention. Every for complete groups.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.